PageFly. Welcome back to our video series to help you create a high-converting Shopify store with PageFly. In today's video, I will introduce to you how to add Shopify product list elements in PageFly pages. The product list is designed to present a list of products on your page. You can use the product list element for upselling and cross-selling for specific collections of products. In order to access this element, you can find this element at the left toolbar. Then click Add Shopify element, and the product list element is the first one. There are 3 options for displaying this element you can choose. In this video, I'm going to choose the second option and drag and drop it onto the page editor. Then, go to the General tab under the Content parameter. You can see Product Source, which gives you 3 options. Choose All if you want to show all products in your store. If you want to show products of a specific collection, choose Custom Collection. And if you want to show products that are the same collection with the chosen product, choose Related Products. You can click here to choose the product. I will click the Custom Collection option. In the Custom Collection option, choose a collection you want to show up and click on the Select button. Now you can see some options that help you customize the displaying of your product list below. With Items for Loading option, you can change the number of products shown on your page. Note that you can show a maximum of 50 products for the product list element. If you have many products and want to show it more, scroll down to the Loading Mode option. Choose Pagination or Load More. The pagination option will be displayed as the page's numbers. Customers can click on these numbers to see other products. Load More option will be displayed as Load More button. Customers can click on the Load More button to see other products. In this video, I will use the Load More button for my product list. Keep in mind that these features only work on the live page, so you will need to publish to check this. In the case if you want to change the color of Load More text, you cannot do it in the Styling tab as usual. On the live page, right-click on the Load More text and open the Inspect. This is the container of the text. Click this small arrow. You can see the link card of the text, and you can take a look at the Styles tab to see all styling of the element. All you need is to copy this class. Then head back to the editor page, open the custom code editor, and add this code inside the custom CSS column. You can add any color you want here by adding hex color code or simply as I did here, red. Done. You can see here now the color of Load More text changes. You can also adjust the number of items in a row with the Items per Row option. I recommend that it should be only from 2 to 4 items on each row, which helps to show product details clearly. Please note that the maximum of items per row is 12. Also, you can adjust space between items with the item spacing option just right here. And now, I will click on one product image. Go ahead to the General tab, you can see all settings of the product image element here. Scroll down and you can set the media list of this product. If you choose No, the media list won't be displayed. If you choose Yes, the media list will be fully displayed. The images are not the same size. To make the product list look fit and balanced, click Main Media. In the General tab you can set size for main image by choosing Media Ratio. Choose Square and the images will have the same size. In addition, you can also customize the product elements such as product title, product price, and Add to Cart button by clicking on each element. Back to Product List element, I will click the product list on breadcrumbs and then go to the Styling tab. Styling tab allows you to customize the content color, paddings, margins, typography, or background of the product list. Note that when you change the content color of a product list, all content color of product elements will be changed. If you only want to change the content color of a specific product element, product title, for example, you need to click this element on the page editor and then change the color. As you can see, all product titles of the product list have changed. You can add or delete elements to product details in the product list. Keep in mind that when you add or delete any element in a product details, it will also affect all other product details in the product list. In addition, if you want to add a button inside each product details and make it link to the corresponding product page, you can use the product view details element and style it to make it look like a normal button. First, I will set a border for this view details element. Then I will click on more settings to make the border width thinner. About 1 pixel is okay for me. Now, scroll up, you can adjust padding and margin to make it look nice. You can also set up mouse over state for this button. And now, I'm going to switch to mobile view and see how this product list shows. You can see the items per row are automatically set for 2 items, and this automation makes the mobile view more clear. You can still change this setting with item for row element on the General tab. This change will not affect layout on all devices. You have so many products, and in many cases, you may want to change the product order and product list to show the newest products. We also have updated a video tutorial about it. Just check it in the description of this video. Now, you can save all changes, click Publish, and then Live View to see your live page. Take a look, what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.